Hello from DEFEA, the Cyprus pavilion, in CELLOCK's booth. Here you can see our products that we have. We have 3D printed technologies. You see here a small 7-inch UAV with thermal and optical cameras with AI capabilities for detection, recognition and targeting. Everything that we do is 3D printed. We have 7-inch ISR and 10-inch loiter munition. And here we see strategic aircraft, again 3D printing technology with 80-kilometer distance for loiter munition. In addition, we are experts in AI technologies. Here you can see our onboard AI module, Monterey, which gives the capabilities to any UAV with a small 70 grams load to have autonomous capabilities in GNSS denied environments and complete autonomous missions. In addition, we have a small command and control C2 that can be used with all our UAVs. And finally, we have our production line. It's a container production line that can print UAVs on the field, up to 1,000 UAVs on a 40-feet container. We have a printing production line, assembly and delivery. We can deliver up to 20 UAVs per day in this production line. Thank you for visiting our booth in the fair. Keep us following social media to see more innovations coming in Cyprus-made products.